Good morning, people. Good morning. Hope we are all doing just fine. Good morning, guys. Good morning, Burrs. Good morning, Dunk District. What's up, Millionaire SSK? What's up? What is up, guys? Let's see. Test run. Good morning. Mic level is low. Let us see here. Mic level is low. I kind of got on here late, man. The move had already, like, you feel me, started cooking. Um, Connections. Fine. It's on his copy trading. I didn't go in with full size here, guys, because The move already started before I even got on this shit, man. Yeah. Hope you guys are doing well, though. Increase volume on your headphones, smart guy. Mic is low. Really want to get a nice feel here. I doubt I'm gonna get it. You guys still can't hear me? What's going on? Exactly. Increase the headphone. Oh, okay, you're saying. Okay. Yeah, cause guys, is my mic good? Is my sound good? If I could possibly get this second fill, that would be amazing. All right, cool. If I could get this second fill, bro, that would be amazing. But I didn't go into a full size because I hadn't fully like analyzed everything. But just from looking at it, just from first glance, I could tell that we wanted to head up possibly to these highs. That's why I went in with five minis. But now I wanna see if I could get my full fill. Probably going with 15 if I can, but I doubt it, bro. Doubt I'll get it. If I don't get it, it's whatever. I'm not gonna chase. Sound low. Your volume is maxed out. Shit. Not sure why. Let me see. Um, Properties. Yeah, I'm not sure why. Like everything is set. Everything is set, bro. It looks like I'm not getting that feel. Oh well. Shit, bro. I literally just saw it as soon as I got on the chart. I'm like, yeah, this shit wanna go. Oh yeah, you don't want tweaking, yeah, cause yeah, my mic is fine. Like everything is set, bro. What's up? What's up? What's up? I don't think I'm gonna get that feel, that extra feel that I'm looking for. So we've now hit 50% of the profit target. So realistically, moves, stops can be at break even, but I guess I could have gone the fill here. I guess I was being a bit, trying to get that perfect entry. Hola, hola, hola. Grand Rising, my brother. My brother. I'm not is going to my TP, but I'm not really satisfied because I didn't go in with full cons, man. Did not go in with full cons, man. Look at that thing go. Look at that thing go. Boom. TP hit. TP smashed. Why do you trade minis? Oh, this is just cause I just want to be able to trim. I don't even like minis either, bro. I don't like minis. Minis are for pussies, bro. I just want to be able to trim. So I'll just clear out like 3. I'll just take out 3 here. Thank you. Thank you. If I can get it, shit. Guys, do you know how many times price always just hits my TP and then just starts reversing? Yeah, minis are for pussies, bro. I mean, micros are for pussies. Minis are where the big boys be at. Should have taken profit, man. My psychology is all over the place. I'm really not happy with my performance today, because why am I going in with, like, why did I not go full size? Not happy with my performance. Like, I didn't even trim. That's literally why I'm using mini, so I could trim some off when we hit full TP. And I didn't even do that. I literally just woke up. Like, I just woke up and got on live because I kind of woke up late. Hola, hola. Yeah, minis do suck, bro. Big fan. Thank you, brother. Thank you. See if I could see some shit on NQ, bro. Oh, fuck. Guys, do you see this ridiculousness that I'm doing? The trade hit TP, but I didn't even pull out. Like, man, these are the things that make trading harder. Psychology, all that shit. I think NQ can go as well. I think so. If I get stopped out, I'll be pissed, bro. I'm even just gonna move it to break even. Fuck all that, bro. Like, I already know my psychology is not all there. Like, this is a horrible performance right here. Like, what the hell? Literally hit TP perfectly. So why am I still in this trade? I have no idea. But honestly, if it hits break even, I'm not really worried because I didn't like them profits anyways, bro. You could keep that fucking shit, bro. Going straight to break even. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. Going straight to market is hunting. I don't think market is because it hit my TP. So it's literally just me. And I've seen this happen so many times where price would literally hit my TP by the tick and then just reverse. That's why I like to go for my 90 ticks because those are the ranges that YM likes to trade in. So yeah, that's the ranges YM likes to trade in. So I don't think my stops are getting hunted. Then this is a funded account. Like, what are you gonna do with a funded account stop loss? Yeah, yeah, cooked. Don't trade like me, guys. Do not trade like this. Stopped out. Stopped out after a 90-point move. 90, yeah, 90 point. This isn't trading. This is fucking, I don't know what it is. Yeah, it does close automatically, but I didn't set it to close. Like, I didn't set it like, firstly, I wasn't even satisfied with the trade. Like, I didn't even like that shit. Like, what the fuck? I didn't go in full size, so I was like, they could keep that, bro. But that's not how it should be, though. That's not how you should trade, guys. Literally just gave back free money back to the market. Psychology, psychology, psychology. But I'll see if I can find another move though. I'll see if I can find something else. See if I can find something else. Yeah, I didn't add a TP. Yeah. Watch it trade right into fucking entry and then rise back up. Because as I said, YM likes to trade in these ranges, 90 tick ranges. What I want to see here on NQ that'll give me like a high probability setup is if we sweep these lows and then we get an inversion, that would be nice. That would be a nice entry to go long. Do gold? Nah. Gold, I only trade gold Asia session with my Discord. I have um shit. There's other traders in the Discord that there's another trader in the Discord who trades gold during Asia session. He be sniping that shit, bro. Going for 1 to 5s, like 1 to 3s. He be busting that shit. His name's Daminator. Shout out Damon, bro. That guy is a goat. He's the goat. Damn, so I literally could have added, bro. I literally could have added down here. Guys, my psychology is not there, bro. It's not on point. It's not on point. It's not on point. It's not on point. Ugh. Psychology. It's not on point, bro. My Discord link is in my bio. Check it out. Do you have any psychology videos? Yeah, I do. I do actually. I do. Check out my channel. You want to see a few on there. So we didn't sweep these lows like I wanted to. Like I guess we swept this one. I was looking for this one to get targeted, but it didn't. Let's see if we're tapping into any higher time frame fair value gaps or anything like that. I would like this sweep though. If this shit sweeps, yeah, that's NQ. If this shit sweeps, that would be nice. I could see this NQ hitting though, but everything isn't checked out like the sweep I'm looking for isn't really checked out. Okay, let's hop on NQ here, bro. Let's hop on NQ. I might take NQ. I might take this NQ. Let's see though. I'm looking for something specific, but it's not happening yet. And I've already identified that my psychology is not on point. So I got to be careful. I would like this to be swept. I would really love that. I kind of don't think we're going to get that. Let me do some quick maths here. In NQ longs. I guess I'll take 7. So let me take like psychology is back in the building. Don't you just hate it when you're in a trade and your girl texts you on some bullshit? Like, what fuck is you talking about, twin? Okay. So I've taken some off here. Let's see if we can keep pushing. Let's keep it pushing. So I was able to redeem myself. That's nice. 3 more. Let's see if we can get that shit like up here or something, or even up here. Up here. And I'm gonna set my stops to break even now. Psychological. Go just hit TP. Nice one, brother. Let me take one more, bro. Fuck this shit. Take one more off. If I can get that. I'll take one more off if I can get it. Yeah, let me just take one more off. I feel more comfortable just holding 2. Letting 2 run. 2 here. Stop loss at break even. Move that to that. Move that to that. Chain that to 2. 2. And then just, and now we could just chill. Now I'm chilling. Now I'm chilling, bro. So we redeemed ourselves from this YM trade. So that's nice. Oh guys, I got a YM longs on the higher time frame. I got that shit cooking. Like so this was only supposed to be for the Discord, but I'm gonna be nice to y'all and share it with y'all. Got that shit cooking. So let's see. I entered down here. Came back into break even after running like 700 ticks. Anyways, let's go back to NQ. See what NQ got going on. Are those lines support or change of character? Those lines are just random lines. I just like to draw random lines on a chart. But nah, no, this line is just this low. That's what this line is. This low. I wanted, at first I wanted price to sweep these lows and then give me an IVG so I could see like a nice entry. But we didn't get the sweep. But guys, remember I said my strategy is time-based. So even though we didn't get the sweep, during the time that, you know, a market likes to shoot in one direction, yeah, it's for liquidity sweep. So this line is just this low. I was looking for that to get swept and then get an IVG. That would have been an A+ setup. But we didn't get that. We didn't sweep it, but we still got the IVG during my preferred time of trading. So that's why I got in that trade. So this wasn't like an A plus setup or anything. This was probably like a B minus setup. So I could really be trailing. I should be trailing stops, like trail my stops down here. Honestly, that would be the smartest thing to do. Like trail it here or something. Like trail it down here. Trading platform. This is a trading view connected to Tradeovate. I'm trading Fundednext right now. I'm doing this challenge, trying to like get payouts and shit in front of you guys. So that's what we're doing now. And then after that, I'm gonna take on Apex, try to trade 20 accounts into trade 20 accounts into like max payouts and shit. It's gonna be fun. I just wanted to do something fun for the YouTube, you know, because I don't really be um I don't really be posting consistently on YouTube. So I'll just trail stops. Fuck it. Just secure some profits. I'm telling you, bro, they're asking all these crazy questions. Like you could clearly see, bro. But district, down district, I fuck with you, bro. Would you want to be a moderator for this chat, brother? Cause like you're the most active in this shit. I fuck with that. If you don't mind being a moderator, bro, I'll appreciate that shit. Block niggas, you know? Niggas tweaking, block them. Maybe, you know? It's up to you though, obviously. Let me chain this to 1. So if we climb up there, I'll chain that to 1. And then I'll just leave the rest. Oh, for real? For real? You gonna do it? Appreciate you, brother. Damn, that would be fire. Cause I do need a moderator, cause niggas be tweaking sometimes. You won't have to do much. Like you don't have to do much. I just added you as a. Oh yeah. I just added you as a moderator, my brother. So if niggas is tweaking, I just added you as a moderator. So if niggas is tweaking, bro, ban the ass. I just added you as a moderator. Mod. Hola, hola. I'm trailing my stops kind of tightly now because we're nicely in profits. I'm gonna trail. It's Sirski. I'm gonna trail that. Let's see. See, even though my psychology wasn't on point, I still managed to redeem myself. That's nice. That's nice. Can I trade gold? Yeah, you can trade gold in the Fundednext account. Yeah, you can. Gold is just GC. This is gold. I I got some long-term trades, probably cooking on gold. This was the initial trade. Still the same IVG. This is the initial trade on gold. Long term, I'm aiming for these highs up here. I don't know. No, I was aiming for these highs. I don't know why, but I was aiming for that. I gotta look back at it and see why. So yeah, I'm just trailing my stops tightly. Might get stopped out here with 1, and I'll just have 1 more running. So let's see. I have this other mini go trade. So this is the overall, this is the main trade. And then within that main trade, I'm gonna have like small trades. 1 to 4R is too high. Yeah, but I mean, like, if you're trailing, that's not too bad, you know? If you're trailing, you're chilling. This is a 1, 2, 3. This is a 1, 2. Yeah, basically 1 to 4R. And we have this. This is trading view, guys. This is trading view. Anyways, let's focus on what we got going on. Okay, let me just put this back. $20 Apex accounts. I might just move stop and just be trailing. You feel me? Because this shit looks like it wants to keep climbing. Like, what the hell? I don't mind. Guys, like this chat, please. Like this chat. You feel me? It lets more people see it and things of that nature. So like this chat, guys. I'd appreciate it. Let's fucking go, boys. Boom. So I have one more running here. I have one more running. Let me see where I want to put that. I'm still trailing my stops. Let's see. I probably want to put this at this high. Because NQ is going crazy today. Hope I didn't make too much because I can't even make more than $1,000 on this shit. I might have made too much. I don't know. Might have made too much. Which is crazy. It's like these, like, why are you stopping me from making money, twin? Yes, sirski, yes, sirski. Yes, sir. Guys, like this chat, like this chat, like this chat, guys. I'd appreciate it. You can like this chat for me. You feel me? I really appreciate it, guys. You guys are the GOAT. I fuck with all of y'all, man. Oh, you made too much today. I know it be like, it's like, bro, like, what do you, like, why are you telling me not to make too much money, bro? Like, well, that's how it be. You just gotta follow the rules. Nothing else you can do. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I'm trailing like a madman at this point. I'm gonna trail below this FVG here. Yeah. Yeah, I'm glad I took NQ instead, cause I mean YM is still going, obviously, but NQ just be going sometime, man. Reversal. Watch next week. The week going to be bad. I hope not. Let's not hope so, man. Let's not hope so, bro. Why did you get to the upside instead of the downside? I have a coin, right? So all I do is just flip the coin. If the coin lands on heads, I go long. If the coin lands on tails, I go short. Simple. It's a simple 95% win rate strategy, bro. Try it out. 95% win rate strategy. 95%, Jermaine. If you flip the coin, if it lands on heads, you go long in that motherfucker. If it lands on tails, short that motherfucker. Now, but all jokes aside though, all jokes aside though, I enter longs because I didn't really do too much analysis, honestly. But I entered longs simply because I wanted, because these lows were swept. Like, I wanted these lows to get swept initially. So if you go back and watch this video, you'll see that I was saying I wanted these lows to get swept first, so I could see an inversion and take it to the upside. But we did not get those lows swept. Instead, we got these lows. These lows got swept. So I was paying more attention to these lows, but these lows got swept instead. So now all I'm looking for is for an inversion. And you can see we're, you know, already like in a bullish market. So I was looking for these lows to get swept, but they didn't. So these lows got swept. Once this low got, wait, hold on, or maybe this one. Yeah, but some low got swept, and then we got the IVG. So that's what gave me my entry. Yeah. So that's why I went long, because I was expecting a low to get swept. I was like targeting this one, but it didn't. But these ones did. So once we got the inversion, I'm like, okay, time to go long. Time to go long. Long, long, long. But I literally woke up. As soon as I woke up, brushed my teeth, and got on the charts. And then as soon as I got on the charts, I took this trade. As soon as I got on, I marked it up real quick. Saw that, you know, we want to head up. Like, if you've been looking at the charts for some time, you could tell where you think price wants to head to. So I saw that, you know, price may want to head to the upside. I'm looking for an inversion. So we got this inversion, but this was an impulsive candle. So all I waited for was for price to trade back into the inversion, and that's where I got my entry. This was on YM. That's what I started analyzing at first. So I got my entry, and then my stop was, I think I got it a little bit late, like somewhere here. Put my thing to 90 ticks, but when it hit 90 ticks, I didn't take profit because I didn't go full margin. So my psychology and all that shit was kind of like, you feel me? So all I did was just put my stop at break even. So price came back, took me out at break even. I'm like, fuck that. And then like it took me out break even, and then boom, shot up. I'm like, fuck that. Let me check NQ out. So I went to NQ. I saw that NQ was pretty much doing the same thing. Swept those lows. So already I had a bullish bias with YM. So I'm like, YM and NQ moved very similarly. So I'm like, okay, let's see if I could see an entry to go long in here. So boom, we came here, we swept these lows, got the inversion. I'm like, okay, time to go, time to go, time to go. Boom, kept trading into the inversion. And then I was kind of hesitant to enter because I wanted these lows to get swept at first. But since they did not, and this got swept and gave the inversion, kept tapping into the inversion, I'm like, okay, let me take these longs. Boom, took these longs, kept trailing, kept trailing, kept trailing. Took some out as we got in profit. And now we have one left running. So yeah, we got one running now. So by the way, do you trade stocks? Yeah, long term though. Stocks are long term for me. Long term investment. I do want to get into options though. I'm also gonna document that. I used to trade options like maybe like 2 years, 2-3 years ago, profitably. I used to trade options profitably. My only problem was that I let my losses get to me, and just like every other, just like most traders, like I let my losses get to me, and then I probably like when I used to trade weeklies. So sometimes when I'm losing, I just want to hold and just hope that, throughout the week price reverses back into my favor. Um, so yeah, when it was just a psychology issue. But yeah, I want to get back to options, but it's just tricky because I still want to trade futures. I still love trading futures, so I might have to do like long-term swings on options. But when it comes to just regular stock investments, yeah, that's definitely just what I just that's definitely like the safe bet for me. But I will get back to options though for sure. And I'm gonna document everything so you guys can see it. So we're having a hard time at those highs. Let me see. Let me see. Let me make sure I didn't make too much. So if I did, I'll just close it. Okay. I don't think I did. I don't think I did. So yeah, that's cool. Across all the wins and losses, how much would you say you make per month? Damn, y'all just so direct with that question. Like, y'all trying to read a nigga pockets. Make $1 million trading a month. A million M&Ms. What are you talking to me about, twin? I'm using trading view right now. Trading view. Connected to Tradeovate. I'm trading Fundednext account right now. Guys, the 40% deal on Fundednext, it ends today in 24 hours. It ends tonight, basically. It ends tonight. Oh shit. No, I don't make shit. Yeah, you're right. You say you better hope IRS not listening. I don't make shit, bro. Like, dude, I don't make shit trading. Like, I'm just doing it for you guys. Like, I love doing these. You feel me? I love doing these, teaching people how to trade. So I just do it for you guys. I don't make anything trading. Like, I don't make shit. Uncle Sam over there listening. Like, shit. Let's audit this nigga. Let's audit this motherfucker. Is it available for CFDs? Yes, yes. Fundednext also has CFDs. Use my code STAN to get I don't know if you get a discount. I think okay, you get 120% rewards back when you pass the challenge and you reach a payout, you get 120% rewards back. So if you use my code STANFX to purchase, not STANFX. STANFX is for futures. STAN is for CFDs from Fundednext. I know it's kind of backwards, but yeah. Me and you different. When I make my YouTube videos, I do it because I eventually want to get monetized. I do it because I do it because I want to get monetized too. Now in the beginning, like honestly, when I first started making these trading videos and things, I literally just wanted to document my trading journey. Like honestly, I wasn't even thinking about the money. I wasn't thinking about any of that. I literally just wanted to document my trading journey. And then my shit just started blowing up. I'm like, I'll take that. I'll take that. Like, I wanted to document my trading journey and just like, and honestly, these lives also helped me a lot because every time after the live, like some day later in the day, I'll watch it and review like my mistakes and things I could have done better. So this live isn't just for like entertainment purpose. It's also like me documenting my trading and my emotions and how I'm thinking, how I'm during a trade. So it helps me as well. Honestly, helps me. But yeah, when I first started, I wasn't really doing it for the money. I was already making good money, so I didn't really need to do it for the money. But why would I turn down money? That shit started blowing up, and then I'm like, okay. Honestly, I still haven't taken this YouTube shit seriously. As you can see from my posts, I don't post consistently. Last time I posted a long form video was like last month. So I don't post consistently, and really, you make most of your money on YouTube from long form content. So short form makes you money too, but long form makes you more money. So if you can see, I don't really post consistently. It's because I haven't really taken it seriously yet. But I think eventually I will. I will. Eventually I will. Somewhere this year I'll start taking it seriously, posting more consistently. I already got an editor now. I hired an editor. So now I could be producing videos more consistently. And things like that. You said if y'all are in now, I suggest you get out very soon or now. I mean, or you could just trail your stop. You could just literally trail your stop, honestly. Because I feel like we could break these highs. I feel like we can. I feel like we can. Where you go to hire the editor, he literally just hit me. I've actually had a lot of editors hit me up. He hit me up through my Discord. So, um, yeah, he hit me up through my Discord, and yeah, we just chatted it up and things like that. Yeah. Edgar, what's up, my man, Edgar. Guys, you have no idea who you have in the chat. Edgar is the GOAT, bro. How many ticks in this trade? Currently we're running 127 tick. Wait, no, is it 511 ticks? So 127 points. Damn, that's a lot. I didn't even know it was that much. 511 ticks. Wow. Actually didn't know it was that much. Boom, TP hit for me. Nice one, nice one, nice one. Edgar, were you able to get in this trade? Hello, brother. We love you a lot. Denish says we love you a lot. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Love you too, man. Love you too. Yeah, TP should really be taken at this point, but I'm just doing some extra shit. Like usual. Well, not like usual, but Save the bangers for. Oh, you didn't get in. She's. Let's see how we perform later today during PM session. Let's see. Hopefully we could catch another banger trade. Going for that inversion. Oh, this one right here. I mean, we have swept highs. Yeah, but I feel like we could keep climbing, Edgar. I think we could keep climbing, but who knows? He said, he said, um, Barish said, damn, Danish, blow him already. You guys are so funny, bro. Just because he said he loves me, bro, he fucks with me, man. I fuck with him too. Nothing wrong with that. Do you do be changing quantity when trading? I don't know what that means. Quantity, like my sizing? Yeah, I mean I do change my sizing, if that's what you're asking. Depending on, you know, whatever going on. Hey, got in around 21290. Nice one. 21290. Oh, okay. After that impulsive candle, you're chilling. Yeah, we're just consolidating up here. I might just exit soon. Like, I might just exit this soon. I don't really. How much did you lose before you became profitable? Bro, like, I won't lie, bro. I lost a lot of, like, man, probably like over 100 racks. Because I used to do ecom before I even, like, while I was learning trading and shit. I used to do ecom. I was killing it. Um, I wasn't making any crazy amounts, but I was doing pretty well. I was getting good profits from ecom, and then I'll just be investing it into trading. Like I'll invest it, and this is when I was beginning, so I really didn't really know what I was doing. So I'll just put it into trading. Boom! I'll just be blowing accounts, blowing accounts, blowing accounts, blowing account, blowing account, blowing account, blah 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 blah. So I lost a lot of money, and then I found out about funded accounts like 3 years ago. Man, it was over. And that was when, and I also had some Bitcoin investments that was doing good. So I was just buying funded accounts. This was when I used to trade forex too. I'd just be buying funded accounts, buying funded, like, you know, the forex funded accounts cost way more. They'd be like 500, like $1,000 per account. And man, I was going crazy, just buying them, blowing. It's crazy. So I've lost well over 100 racks, well over, like probably way more than that. But yeah, lost so much money. Have you ever worked a corporate job? Honestly, I've been fortunate to not really have to work at all. Since high school, in high school I used to work in at Six Flags. No, not high school. In yeah, high school. In the beginning of high school I used to work at Six Flags. And ever since that, I really haven't had any other job. So my uncle worked at an engineering firm. So he gave me like a managerial position in that engineering firm. But I really don't consider it work because, bro, like I could literally just go to work anytime I want, and sometimes I'll even just go to work. I hope he's not listening to this shit, but I'll just go to work because I was basically like an assistant manager. So I'll just go to work, clock in, and drive back home. I go to work, clock in, drive back home, or and my cousin used to work there as well, so or I'll have him clock in for me, and I'll just be chilling at home. So I didn't really consider it work, but yeah, I did that for like I think like a year. Yeah, about a year, and then and I was just like, fuck it. I didn't really need to do it. It was just some good extra income. Plus, I didn't have to do too much, so I just go into work, clock in, get the fuck out of there. Like I didn't really used to have a lot of work. I just the shit I used to do was just um so he create so the company creates car parts for like John Deere and shit like that. So all I had to do was just organize the car parts on an Excel sheet. So that was just my duty. So it was really easy. I could do it from home. So I just used to clock in. I'm telling you. Oh, for real. Oh, okay, okay. That's what's up. That's what's up. You used to be an act you used to be an analyst. That's what's up. So it's gonna help out with trading. Ignite flow, what's up? What's up? What's up? I blow like 15, 25 accounts before getting a payout. Yeah, it'd be like that, bro. It'd be like you're down 1600, which is like a 4 month salary, but you're getting back up, man. Trading is hard, bro. Just come up with a good plan with an edge and stick to it, honestly. But yeah, man, yeah, I guess it was kind of a corporate job. I had like a managerial position, assistant manager. So yeah, it was cool. It was cool. It was a chill little workplace. I just clock in and come back home, chill, and then clock out or have my cousin clock out for me if he was working that day. That shit was lit. Oh yeah, I remember you, Ignite Flow. I remember you, bro. After watching a couple of your videos of your trades, your strategies have bounced from one FVG into a last swing high or last swing low. So my strategy is basically um my strategy is basically like so it's time based. Like time is a very important aspect in my strategy. It's a very important factor in my strategy. It's time based, and then I also look for FVGs. So if we type in into a FVG, a strong FVG that I think is gonna hold on the higher time frame, let's say 15 minute, then I look for IFVGs. Or if I feel like we want to sweep liquidity and reverse back to the upside, my entry model is after we sweep the liquidity, I look for an IFVG to enter, or like a trend line break sometimes, depending on what's going on in the market. Sometimes I use IFVG, sometimes I use trend line breaks. So, but I'm looking for that sweep of liquidity. Sometimes I'm impatient and I don't wait for the sweep, but usually that's literally what the strategy is. An A plus setup in my strategy, this is what an A plus setup looks like, right? We sweep liquidity, and when we sweep liquidity, we're also tapping into a higher time frame fair value gap. Let's say like a 5 or 15 minute. Usually 15 minute works the best. So we're sweeping liquidity on a 1 minute, but the sweep of liquidity is also tapping into a higher time frame 15-minute fair value gap. So if I see that we're sweeping liquidity clearly on maybe the 1 minute or the 5 minute, and we're also tapping into a higher time frame fair value gap, now all I look for is for an IFVG back up. If I think we're gonna reverse, just look for an IFVG back to the upside, boom. Or like sometimes trend line breaks, but IFVGs are more accurate. But yeah, trend line, people be making the ICT shit so complicated, and ICT himself makes it complicated because he's always adding new things and teaching new things that I feel like you don't really need. Like 2022 mentorship is all you need. So once we sweep the liquidity and we are also tapping into a higher time frame fair value gap, IFVG, boom, enter that motherfucker, and whatever happens happens. So I'd say it's probably like a 60 to 70% win rate strategy, but that's an A plus setup. Sometimes you don't get the sweep. Like today, you don't really get like a clear sweep, and ICT traders, I mean, yeah, ICT, like, that's what I'm saying. It's because everybody complicates it. That's why. He said ICT traders are the worst. Honestly, like, because it's so many ICT traders. So it's like, obviously, there's going to be traders who don't use it correctly. That's just how things are. So, but yeah, that's my strategy in a nutshell. And also time based too. It's also time based. So the time aspect is a very important one. Oh yeah, Ignite Flow. You're the guy that can. Oh yeah, what's up? What's popping, man? What's good, brother? Did you get in any trades today? Did you get in any trades? Yeah, they do overcomplicate it for no reason, and I understand because ICT himself kind of complicates it with all these different terms. Like I fuck with ICT, trust me, because he's like his concepts are what made me like really profitable. So I fuck with him, but his terms like just complicating. Like you feel me? Like I feel like some of the things, the new things that he teaches aren't really necessary. Like, but I mean, shit. Some people might find it useful, so can't really. You feel me? What's wrong with his voice? I'm saying, like, what's wrong with my voice? He just hating, but I think he was joking though. I think he was joking, so it's not even. Hello, bro. Big fan of your YouTube shorts. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's go. Yeah, yeah, yes, sir, yes, sir. So, in case y'all didn't know, I be spitting, bro. Like, I be rapping. I make music, so I'm gonna show you guys that side of me in a few months. So I be spitting. If any of y'all make beats, man, send that shit my way. I'm probably gonna get off soon. Yeah, this is Nasdaq. I'm gonna get out soon. Like I'm gonna get out soon. Because right now we're not really doing anything, and I have to go in a few minutes, so I'll get off soon. Nice kicking it with y'all though. An ICT creator is just a regular man. I don't know anything about that man. Yeah, yeah, he's just a regular guy, but you know, he's cool people. I just can't use his strategy. You can make money on supply and demand in the market. Yeah, yeah, bro. Trust me, I know from trading for a long time that most strategies work. It is all about the person using it and how they fine tune it to fit their personality and to give them an edge. Bro, most strategies work, trust me. Most strategies work, bro. You just have to fine tune it, fit your personality and fit your trading style, fit all that. Most strategies work. Supply and demand, Wyckoff, trend, bull flag, bear flag, like all that shit works, bro. All that shit works. Trust and believe. See, I told you it was gonna drop. Yeah, it might here. And we've just inversed this fair value gap. So it could drop. Well, we haven't inversed it yet, but we might. And we've swept this liquidity, and we're tapping into a higher time frame. Well, not a higher time. Well, let me see. Yeah, and we're tapping into a higher time frame fair value gap. Yeah, we could drop. So this is my setup in a nutshell. Tapping into a higher, but you also have to use higher time for like context of where market wants to head to. What do you think about Trading Geek? I don't know anything about him. What do you think about breakouts and trend line breaks? As I said, that thing works. Orb works. Trend line breaks work. All that shit works, bro. All that shit. Opening range breakout works. Trend lines work. FVGs work. IFVGs work. Supply and demand work. Bull flag, bear flags work. Everything works. What's my win rate? Let's see. I can just show y'all. Win rate has kind of decreased recently, but let's see. Let me show you guys. Trade journal. I guess I haven't changed that, but yeah, this is my trade journal. This is my win rate. Right now it's at about right now it's at like 59% or 57%. It's just kind of weak, but it's just cause like markets haven't been really that great lately. But yeah, this is my win rate right now. About 60%. These are my trades and shit. Took 2 losses yesterday. You know, all that. So win rate 57% right now, but it's usually higher. It's usually around like 63%, but you know. Is this your song? What song are you talking about, sir? Yeah, I actually gotta go, guys. I actually gotta go. I'm out this trade. I'm out this trade, guys. I'm out. I actually got a dip. So, and as I said, I want to show everything on live. I want to be as transparent as possible. So, can we get a copy of your trade journal? Sure. I think in some of my let me see. In one of my videos, I have the link in there. Let me check it out. Let me see which video it was. In one of my videos, I have the trading journal link there. So if you want to check it out, you could just check out that video. I think it is losses are good. I'm not sure. Let me see. But I actually gotta go. Let me see. Is it I found the holy grail to trading? So you can continue. Shit, I don't know which video it was, but I have it on one of them. I don't know. I have it on one of them, so you could probably go through my videos. It's gonna say Google Sheets because it is Google Sheets. It's gonna be a Google Sheets link. So yeah, check it out, and yeah, that's where my trading journals be. I appreciate your transparent and how calm you stay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Is needed. But yeah, guys, thanks for kicking it with me, guys. I gotta dip. Gotta go trade with the cord. I hope you guys have a wonderful Friday and weekend. And I'll see you guys next week. We're still this challenge is taking longer than I anticipated. Like at this point, I should have already been gotten a payout, but it'd be like that. So yeah, hope you guys have a wonderful weekend and Friday and trading day. And I'll see you guys next week. Peace out, guys.